Exercise bands can be used sitting, standing, or even laying down actually. You're going to have different sizes. You want to always start with the lightest size. That means it's going to have the least amount of resistance. So always start with this, and if it's too easy, you can work your way up. There'll be a middle of the road and be a little tougher to pull, and then you're going to have the strongest one. This is going to be your tightest. All right, so with Dr. Raju, we're going to start her with the little baby one. I'm going to use this one. All right, so we're going to start with, you're going to grab it in the middle. Okay, and these are called pull apart. So just pull it and slowly go back in. You always pull tight, and then when you're letting it go back in, don't let it slam in. You should slowly let it back to its place. Okay? Ideally do this 5 to 10 times and then repeat. Okay?
Repeat how many times?
3 sets.
Okay. So 5 to 10 times, 3 times.
Yes.
Okay.
So, count to 10 or whatever. Give yourself a second rest and then do it again until you've completed 3. That's going to work your shoulders and your lats. Have a seat. We're going to do our legs.
I was wondering.
So put your leg on there. Hold on to your things. Hold it tight to your side.
Okay.
Now kick your foot out straight. Bring it back in. Straight. You're going to do that 10 times each side. So the tighter you pull it to your chest, the stronger the resistance is going to be. Arms down here by your hips. All the way to your hips. There you go.
Oh.
See?
Then it is not tight.
Well, you don't have it all the way to your hips. You have it at your thighs.
Okay.
Push it out. Yes. These are a little awkward when you're seated. But... Okay?
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Now, wrap it around like this. And you can stay seated. This is for seated. I'm just showing you. Okay? Hold it kind of tight so you have a loop. Now, out. If you need to tighten it, bring it closer together. This is working your adductors. And you can do that 10 times. Take a break between each and repeat 3 times. If that's too easy, if you've gotten to 10 twice and that's been easy, you need to up your resistance. You need to go with a higher band.
Okay.
And that's for any exercise you ever do. If it's that easy, you should be increasing your resistance. Okay. Then we can do biceps. So take your little loop kind of closer to the foot, step on it. Okay, you're going to hold it like this, one at a time. Just do one side. This is your bicep. Make sure the inner part of your arm stays to your side. So imagine holding like a towel there. You should not be dropping the towel. It should never, if you go out and you drop the towel, that means you're not keeping your arm fit enough. And again, pull up, slowly let it back down. You're fighting resistance as you let the band go back down. Okay, and then go back and do the other side. Same thing as the first one. You're going to do 10 repetitions on each side. Take a small rest. Repeat that 3 times. Okay? All right, from the seated position, you can do triceps. So hold your band in your hand and take your other hand to hold it tight. You can also sit on it if you want. You're going to take and push upward. Inside of your elbow should stay right next to your head. This is working your triceps, which is the back of your arm. Same thing. 10 repetitions each side. Rest and repeat 3 times. So that's getting this part of your arm. Help some resistance. Bring your arms up here, palms facing out. Thrust up. Slowly fight the resistance back down. Thrust up. Slowly fight the resistance back down. Repeat 10, 15 times. Take a break between each. 3 rounds.
This is hard work.
See, I'm sweating. I told you.
Look at that intense struggle.